Hello everyone. To use the Chroma key function in the Visual Director, go to the menu and select Chroma key and color adjustment. In order to use the Chroma key, tick the Chroma key right here. Then select the key color based on your background. For me, I use blue background, so I will choose blue color. So as you can see, the background become black and we can add background picture on it. Click the browse button and then search for the picture you want. So the background becomes the picture you selected. Other than that, you can also select channels to become the background. So I will select channel 2, then the background becomes channel 2 content. To remove it, click on the remove button. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.